renowned economics academic professor Gift Mugano has publicly dismantled Finance Minister Mthuli Ncube's 2025 mid-term budget review, accusing the Treasury of manipulating figures to paint a false picture of economic growth. Sanabida mashuka rubuda panguva ina chanokwa kunzi aiwa panguva inoi top economics academic addresses Mthuli Ncube panguva ino parikuonekwa kunzi pamwe nepo vari kuuya vachipa mid-term budget review voonekwa kunzi vauya vakamanipulata mafigures kuti zvipe chimiro chinenge chiri nani kuonekwa kunzi economy iri kugrowa, yet background it is opposite. Not by subscribe or like on the bell like tipira panapa now zero mbudanyi communities. Last Thursday, Ncube presented the 2025 mid-term budget review statement at the new parliament building in Mount Ahmed. He revised the $270 billion national budget, claiming Zimbabwe will still grow in growth mode and touting positive developments in the economy despite visible signs of collapsing currents and deepening economic hardships. But Mugano took to X, formerly Twitter, to expose glaring inconsistencies in US figures, offering a damning rebuttal backed by current conventions that undercut the minister's optimistic narrative. His upbeat tone stands in stark contrast to rising inflation, unstable exchange rates, and persistent dominance of the US dollar over the newly introduced Zimbabwe gold ZIG currency. The ZIG, launched in April 2024, was meant to restore confidence and bring price stability, but it has fallen to gain traction among businesses and consumers alike. Zimbabweans continue to face skyrocketing prices, basic goods shortages, and stagnant incomes. Critics say the government's refusal to acknowledge on-the-ground realities undermines public trust. Economists point to deep-rooted structural issues, a bloated public sector, over-reliance on volatile mining exports, an underperforming industrial base, and entrenched corruption. Frequent currency shifts and arbitrary policy changes have also eroded confidence in the country's financial institutions, despite Ncube's promises of improved ease of doing businesses, tax reforms, and reduced bureaucracy. Observers argue these pledges ring hollow in a context of ongoing policy inconsistency. Ndo mashuka rubuda panguva ine macritics achiva achiataka aiwa Mthuli Ncube achiva ati these guys they are manipulating aiwa information our the mid-term budget review. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kuri kuonekwa kunzi background economy iri kustruggle and it is going down, but vari kuuya vachipresenta kuti economy iri kugrowa. Muna comment section medu mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.